my god. How do you feel right now?
Oh, I'm scared. That was like a scary roller coaster that I wasn't
Did
on.
you see that? They just swung.
Oh, they're coming back. They're here to save us.
We're not in trouble, yo. We're fine.
Jump us, you know?
Do you think they're trying to warn us? Should
I
we
don't know.
back up or something? You think they're scared?
Oh my god, I think you need a videotape this.
I can't see them.
Oh my god, this is How cute was that?
Did he say hi?
See like this.
Ah, that's so sweet. They said hi.
Come back. Dude. Oh, that was scary. Did you see them do that? And go all the way down?
Did you see? They went zoom, like that was a roller coaster.
I was hoping they didn't come really close.
They came super close.
Because I was like, fuck the winds. The wind's gonna fuck up this platform and then we're gonna fall.